so dry. That's your weather right now here in Lower Mainland or British Columbia. Can't Meltech, nothing there. It's just super dry. Even some of the soccer fields, they start shutting the water down because they're trying to like ban the water consumption right now. You can see that it's just bone dry. You start digging in there, it just makes a mess, and it's hard as a rock to also. Okay, we're gonna end up going to the drywall recycling place. We have to get rid of the drywall on our truck. I'll show you some video of that also. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, we're approaching the drywall place right now. Let's see how busy it is here. Look too busy today. It's probably just too hot. No one wants to do nothing. Not too busy. Yeah, it's really hot. It's like 32 right now. Looks like a sandwich. That's all metal in there from corner beads and so on for the loads. My wheel wash right there, it's washing the wheels. Actually, I need my windows cleaned anyways. It's actually going in my car. Okay, 205.80 for disposal, 1120 kilograms. That's 1.12 tons. So it's pretty expensive to dump the stuff, and it wasn't even that big of a pile. If you've seen that pile, it's very little. Okay, we're gonna get some scrap taken back today. I need to make some room and see how the day goes. Okay, stay tuned. Another barbecue here. This one's exposable. There's a brass valve here. I'm going to pop it off for now. Normally I don't really care, but I'm just going to pop it off because I got to take the rest off. So what? Why? Pull this thing out. 4 screws or bolts are right in the corner. Done. Done. It's super simple. There it is, clean. That's clean. There it is, clean. Doesn't take much. The older it is, the more burnt it is, the more easier it is. Okay, I'm gonna put this in here. Just to make a small run to scrap here, I just want to make a little bit of room. Faster. Okay, stay tuned. That's starting aluminum together. This is all clean. This one's got a little bit of putty on it, so we'll see what happens. But anyways, there's the cast. There's some aluminum there. Got a lot, but some of it's pretty dirty still. Got more aluminum there. Got a pile over there. These chairs. Cast here. Okay, let me get started some more. Yeah, so this is a screen. I gotta take out the roller. A couple of screws on the bottom. I'll tell you, it's so hot right now. It's probably 35 right now. Crazy hot. Got no shade either. Just want to process some of this so it cleans my yard up a bit. It just pops right out. Now you have a clean extrusion there, clean. And then there's another one here. This is on a sliding door itself. If you don't take this stuff out, you're not paying very little now. There's a lot of metal there anyways. A little bit time consuming, but like I say, if you don't do it, you're just gonna get probably like 30 cents a pound or less. They said anything dirty, aluminum, really dirty, throw in the shred. Not worth it. And that shred is 5.5 cents a pound, so well, it's pretty low. Or 6.5 maybe, something like that. Yeah, 6.5. There's not a lot of screws. I mean, the main ones, like I say, once you fold it back and forth a couple times, the screws just kind of loosen up. I suppose these rollers are probably still good. Somebody who has a door that needs it. Even the metal I'm touching is like fire. Super hot. It's just baking in the sun here. Problem is aluminum's light, it doesn't weigh much. It's not worth much a pound. Okay, so that one's clean. Okay, let's continue. I had a handle that came off as clean, but this guy's got rivets here, so I'm going to sawzall rivet. There it is. Get the handle off, clean. This one might be okay. Sometimes these handles are aluminum, right? But I think, or stainless steel, I think this one's okay for cast. So you don't clean the handles off, they're going to give you a very little, like 15 cents a pound. Clean the handle off, you get like 55, 58 cents a pound, depending on what the market is, right? very simple. There it is, clean. So you remember, clean your items. Clean the handles off. Then you're set to get the top dollar. In pots and pans, you find them everywhere. Everywhere you go, you're finding them. People are chucking them out left and right. Even if they're like brand new, they still chuck them out. Another cast one ready to go. Okay, remember to clean your materials to get top dollar. Almost ready. I got copper fins. What I did is I actually took off the ends. Aluminum here, cast aluminum, extrusion, all kind of mixed in there. I cut these ends off here because I don't know how picky they're going to be. So anyways, it's more copper for me. I have to cut it here. It's only dirty copper anyways, just a little bit of plastic. Okay, another piece of aluminum here. Try to get a good load together. It's too much sitting around, no good. Okay. Okay, we're approaching the scrapyard. Very hot today. 33 right now. Let me see what Snitzer sign says. Let's see if I see it or not. 35 right now. Their sign says 35. So it's pretty hot. Okay, we're gonna unload here, and then I'll let you know what the weight is on the aluminum here and what the prices are. I got a little bit of stainless steel, aluminum, copper rads, and some cast aluminum. So aluminum, cast aluminum, extrusion, stainless steel, and rads. Okay, I took back the cast aluminum. That was like the frying pans and barbecue lids, 56 cents a pound. Old sheet aluminum, which I mixed in extrusion anyways. It's only a few cents difference to pay, so I don't bother. So what I did is I mixed it in there. So basically had 59 cents a pound for aluminum. Copper radiators were $1.31, which is pretty good. Batteries are really low right now, 33 cents. The battery's down about 7 cents right now a pound. Anyways, like I say, prices are dropping. Aluminum is still pretty steady if it's clean. 59 cents basically for clean, which is not bad. But if you clean it up and separate it, like I had, you know, extrusion there, but some of it had putty on there, so it wasn't really perfectly clean. So I can't expect the top dollar. So I just mixed everything in there with old and new aluminum and extrusion, and got one price of 59 cents, so which is not too bad. Super hot right now. It's like 35 degrees out here. Truck says 33, but outside there they got a proper temperature that says 35. So it's pretty hot out here. I'm gonna wait till it cools down a little bit, and I'm gonna do a load of metal later. Just gonna get either today or tomorrow morning, either way, but I just gotta process a few things. I got a few appliances. I gotta take out some wires, some motors, and a few things. Process it a bit and try to see if there's copper motors. Most of them are aluminum, but if I take it apart and get that far, I'll take it out anyways, just because I'll still get 10 cents a pound for the aluminum one versus 6.5 cents for the whole thing. Okay, let's continue and see what else happens here. Like I say, you got to watch your prices carefully, because prices yesterday are different today. So if you have sitting on something large, you know, maybe it's time to sell or maybe it's time to hold. It's up to you. Okay, stay tuned. Yeah, I just had checked my messages there. A guy left me a message, said he put 3 computer towers and
Continue
2
on
laptops on the side.
West for 14 kilometers.
Come on, you dickhead. Just trying to merge in here, it's impossible. Okay, you put 3 towers and 2 laptops in the back of his house by the alley, so I'm going to go there now. It's in Burnaby. He left around 8:30 in the morning, so I phoned him. He said it's still there, so I'm coming out right now. Just going over the Alex Fraser Bridge. Actually, sorry, Portman Bridge. Looks the same looking bridge, but different style. Okay, so I'm heading over the Portman Bridge, a new bridge. And what I'm going to do is try to fight traffic. It's not too bad right now. It's kind of like it's moving steady, but it's right now there's a temperature 35 Celsius. Super hot. I'll tell you, just 2 hours working clean aluminum just burnt me out. So I drank 2 pops, 2 cans of pop, glass of water. Now I'm rushing to Burnaby here to pick up those computers. Hopefully no one gets them. Okay, I'll film when I get closer. Stay tuned. Towers are here. Awesome. It's here. It's 1 tower. Got the CPU, no RAM. It's 1 tower. Got printer. Sat here since 8:30. Can't believe it. No one took it. 8:30 in the morning. It's another print computer here. It's a Dell. It's pretty heavy. Almost 4 towers actually. At least it's got the motherboards. Awesome. That's a good pickup. Okay, perfect. Got him. Happy with that. He's been garbage day and people throwing stuff out. It's a heavy chair. I'm trying to find my cutter and cut that cable off that lamp. You know what? Might just take it the whole thing. Throw it in a shred. Yeah, it's hot out here. 36 out here in Burnaby. 36 degrees. Incredible heat out here. It's not normal for us to get this kind of heat. Metal here on the side. Old school computer side of the road. It's got a monitor, so I might take the monitor too. Oh. Well, we don't find computers too often. Yeah, it's all there. A couple feet up the road, there's a barbecue on the edge there, so I'm gonna grab that. You just never know where the stuff's gonna come up. Happy to get that, so I consider those computers worth $5. Every time I find one, I figure it's $5. There's a little bit of metal here. Doing a scrap run today anyways, so it's a chair. Little rolls. Okay. Now I need a TV set and a barbecue, then I'm set for the day. Satellite dish, side of the road. These guys have a nice gold board in there, so a good find. Satellite dish. The road. Throw it in. Hopefully I can throw it in there. Shuffle some stuff around. Not too big one, so. I can probably just put it right in. Take this top off here. There, it fits. There's our barbecue found side of the road. We'll clean it quickly. Number 4 screws, 4 bolts, I mean. There it is, right there. So that's clean. And then we got to deal with this handle here now, or the lid. There it is. Clean right there. 2 minutes clean. Clean these computers real quick, just so I can get in the scrap pile for tomorrow. Cord here. The floppy there. I know his power supply's not moving. Should just come right out. Let's just get the board out. Take the glass off. That's the computer I got The one we'll pick up at Burnaby. So what kind of motherboard, what kind of chip there is here. Camera doesn't want to move. Doesn't want to come out. Usually it comes off really easy. I don't know why this one's giving me problems here. Oh, I got pins here, awesome. There, and we got one ram. Piece of aluminum. Why is the power supply not moving? Should just drop right out usually, but for some reason it's not. Yeah, I don't know. Don't want to cooperate. Clip there or something. This is the one I found in the alley there, so let's see, it looks pretty complete. I'm expecting probably the hard drive will be in here, and the other one was all stripped out, most of it. Yeah, it's more and more complete. The other one, all the hard drives are gone. Well, most of them anyways. At least I left the chip, got the CPU, got a little bit of RAM. 3 RAMs so far. Some sort of card here. Gold fingers, nice big fingers on that one. This one's got a metal plate on one side that holds everything else in. Outer case and a metal plate. Holds all the hard drives and all that. Well, it actually holds the board itself. It's a different kind of layout. A black fiber chip or some sort here. Let's pop the 2 RAMs out first. 2 RAMs. don't know if I had a chip like this before. I think it's called like that black fiber or something. Oh yeah, it's got, wow, a nice chip there. Lots of legs on it. Good looking chip. Okay, awesome. Okay, let me just take the rest of this part. That's it. The highlights are there. It's got the hard drive, got everything, power supply. So it won't take very long to come apart. Hard drive there. Little cords. Hard drive is actually right here. Very dusty. Can't tell how many gigs that I can't see. 40 gigs maybe or something. Yeah, funny how someone's jammed the motherboard in here. That's strange. We got a couple RAMs, so I got another CPU. Awesome. 2 more RAMs. CPU got legs on there, perfect. So someone actually doctored around with this stuff here. But he said he had 2 laptops. You know, laptops in that pile, so I don't know if he meant they were printers, but no laptops. And you know, laptops, they're a pain in the ass. You know, to strip, they're time consuming. There's a lot of little details, nuts and bolts, very fine stuff. So getting a good amount of green board. So Dell, you know, Dell's gonna be built better than any kind of knockoff out there. Lots of screws. See, I don't know how to open half of these things. I never. How do you open it, right? Without breaking it. It's kind of like a stainless steel heatsink, not that great. No CPU here. Oh, it's got pins on it too, awesome. That's good. Very happy with that. I guess all these are going to hold it here. Okay, a couple more screws. Yeah, the side doesn't come out. So they kind of put hidden screws in here, so that's a screw here. But I guess I have to take the front off. I was trying to leave the plastic on, but oh well. Plastic there. Comes out the front. I'll take this guard slot thing here has got it's gold plating here. It's got a board here, gold plating board and all that. That was a Dell, by the way. This one I just tore apart. Like even this is aluminum too. Some sort of aluminum. Okay, let's move on. Okay, 5 computers. Got 6 boards because one was stuffed to the board. This is my RAM. Those are my chips so far. These are my little cards, Goldfinger cards, CD drives. Since I'm doing computers, I might as well. I got 5 power supplies there. I might as well rip the rest of these out. It'll take me maybe like 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I'll do them all and I'll show you my my bounty after I clean everything apart. So that'll be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 computers. Some complete, some missing a few things. But anyways, let me show you exactly what the yield is. Okay, this little Dell first one. No, it's actually IBM. Think Center. Old school. Haven't seen one like this before. Well, hopefully it's got a good CPU. Figure out how it comes apart. Okay, let me figure it out first. It's an Asus. I'm tearing this one apart. Okay, this is the RAM that came out of there. Look at the awesome looking gold plating there. It's 1 gig of RAM. This RAM could be good still. And also this RAM was sitting inside there, 4 RAMs. Just on the ground, like right next to there on the side. So I'm happy about that. But this RAM I'm going to put aside because it's matching RAM. Could be good. Taiwan. Keep that separate. I'll tear this one apart. Last one here. Okay, stand by. Okay, I tore all the 9 computers apart. Should have at least 9 power supplies, I would say. I'm not even going to keep these mortars. I'm just going to throw them in the shred. It's not worth it. No one wants this stuff anymore here. I can't sell the stuff here, so throw in the shred, get 6.5 cents. It's better than getting no money, right? Okay, all the computer guts. I got 5 floppy drives, 3 hard drives, miscellaneous plug connectors. I got gold plating on there. I got 10 DVD drives, CD or DVD drives, that type of stuff. Wire. I noticed some of the wires got gold plated pins on there, so I don't know if it's worth it or not. I'll have to look at it in detail a little more. Got 4 green boards, and then I look at the variety of different colors of boards. Brown, an orangey mix, blue, purple, another orangey mix, another brown one. So everybody's using a different type of. These are, they say they're Chinese, but I'm not sure because I had a colored board in a Dell, and also an IBM had a colored board. Here's my heat sinks. Heat sinks are here. That's a copper center heat sink. Just pop the copper out. This is like a stainless steel mix. There's some copper stainless steel mix. These are all my Goldfinger cards. Didn't get a lot of cards because it seems to be that most cards are missing. 6, 7 cards, that's it, 6 cards. I got lots of RAM, happy about the RAM, super happy. So those are 4 I want to keep. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 18 sticks of RAM total. That's another card. And then how many different CPUs I got. A black one here. Really nice plating on there. You can see this is old school plating. Look how bright the color is, so shiny. You know it's an AMD. It's a good plating on that. Here's another one, the heavy heat sink on there. This is this is kind of differently. The fingers or the pins are opposite. No pins here. Pins are on the board. Another. These 2 are the same. 3 identical. Those 2. So I got 2, 4, 7, 8, 9. 9 chips here. So that's a really good day. You know, all this here. And all these fingers here. Because this is all your high yield is this stuff here. Right? See all the fingers here? Gold fingers. Like the board's okay. I mean, they could go for $1 a pound, maybe $1.50, depends where. I don't know who buys. No one buys it here. They only want to pay 26 cents here, so it's not really worth it. But I gotta see exactly what parts I can use out of there, what is salvageable, and what I can sell. But DVD drives, I could take the board out. There's a one good board in each DVD drive, and also these floppy disks got a board, and you got 3 boards in the hard drive. So that's 9 computers right here. As you see it, 9 computers, all stripped apart. It took me about maybe an hour, just over an hour, I guess. I'll throw the printers in the corner. Printers are just, it's just like a waste of time, to be honest, but I'll grab them because there's still a board in there, and yeah, it adds a little weight to the shred also, right? Because some have a metal casing, and there's still some motors and gears and different things in there. So I'll pop the board out and then throw the rest in the shred. Plus, you know, there is wires mixed in, and the cartridges itself have gold plating on the cartridge, ink cartridges, so I can salvage those, and also the head too, where the contacts meet the cartridges. There's also gold plating on both sides. So, and the wire, like I say, you got a good bundle of wire, probably a couple pounds of wire. Okay, that's it. This came out of that last computer I showed you. It's just a big fan. But anyways, that's it. Let's see what else we can do here. Get these out. I got a load here for sure, so I just want to get things ready. Right now I'm just processing stuff, and I'm going to bring my bin tomorrow. Put my bin on the ground here, and I can load everything directly in the bin. I'll take a few washing machines apart, some of these hood fans, maybe some TV sets. Whatever I can do, I'll do, and I'll keep progressing. Okay, I cleaned all the power supplies, the wires off them, cut them all off. Quite a bit of wire already in there. I had another computer I found. I took it apart. I got another chip, and I got another RAM. Took a couple fans apart. Okay, so went around and cut some cords that were kicking around here. So I'm gonna have probably 2 buckets full of wire. I gotta get rid of it tomorrow. I'll take it to the Asians. Get rid of that tomorrow, and then see what else. Okay, muffler on the ground. Muffler. A few pieces of metal here. Ugh. Cable box. That's a nice cable box. And there's a printer here. Epson printer. Manual here. Like the manual. Something else, a food processor. It actually seals bags, looks like. Piece of metal here. Couple controls. Pair of scissors. That's it. Just never know what people throw out. Throw it in. Just one more second. Okay, it's got it in. So vacuum here on the side of the road. I just can't believe the scrap life today is everywhere. There's a fridge right there. The only thing about fridges, I can take the fridge, but sometimes they stink really bad, so that's the only thing worries me. I don't bother taking fridges right now, but anyways, let's cruise around some more, see what else there is. Over here, mostly closed, I can see. Let's grab this thing here. This side of the road here. Oh, it's fused on here. This gas tank. Oh, it's fused on there. Propane tank's slightly fused on. Turn it off. I need a wrench actually. It's actually threaded on also. I found all these DVDs also there. I'll pull the tank off right now. Tank's off. Okay, I'm gonna put it. The other thing was broken there, that little twister plastic was broken, so I couldn't get it in. I don't know why this thing's so heavy. It's so heavy. Shirt there. Oh, I don't know if it's a cast that's heavy or it's just a frame or something. It's heavier than normal. Okay, it's in. I want this. I'll take the tank. Just want to see what else titles are there. Ace Ventura, Dorm Days, most of these have been previously previewed. It's gone 60 seconds. Mass to Society. Probably like 99% of these movies are not worth nothing. Just the odd one. I don't like these have been rented before. It means I heavily played. Looking to see if there's anything. Aluminium. Insomnia maybe. Vertical limits. Yeah, that's it. This is a few. Okay, that's it. We're done. So I got some videos. Just a few. Got the barbecue here and whatever metal I got here last time. So my second trip from here. Side road. It's mostly kid stuff. Looks like. Some Pez here. Small control. Spoon. Some water. Put that stuff in front. Some kind of blower. Okay, that's it. A few knickknacks. Just a few minutes ago here. It's actually sterling. It's a little souvenir spoon from Acapulco, Mexico. I knew it was silver when I saw it. So you never know. People throw stuff away. Not worth a lot, but it's still nice. Piece of sterling silver. It says sterling and 925. Two markings on there. Right there, if you can see there. Awesome find. Okay, we're done for the night. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Canadian Treasure Hunter out. Thanks for watching.